How to get support for a previous Uber Eats order. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open your email. Here, search for Uber Eats confirmation email. Simply click on the confirmation email. You'll find email like this. Scroll down and at the bottom you'll find customer support link. You can simply click on it. In my case, I don't have one, but you will find customer support link here. Then choose the issue type. After that, select the relevant order. And after you do that, submit it and you're good to go. This is how to get support for a previous Uber Eats order. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.